During installation, na-realize ko, oh nga no, bakit portals? Portals kasi it's a doorway to a new beginning, new experimentation, new ideas, because of the setting. Sobrang iba siya, sobrang bago. So for me, mas maraming ideas na nabubuo ngayon na mukhang magbabago siya kesa dun sa mga nagawa na before.
In my case, I think the works will look discordant in the surface because in this case, I usually do a lot of participatory works and include participation in my works. I think in this case, when people talk about it's more the process than the end result, I think this is more the process than the end result. I had less mediation with the work or intervention. I allowed the participants to work more on it and freely rather than me taking over at some parts and doing intervention. And I think the most fun part of it is if it still may appear discordant, but it's connected. There were 3 workspaces that I work with. Philippine Women's University SFAD Gallery, Project Space Pilipinas, and Bugna Gallery, which is in Manila, Lucban, and Dumaguete. But if you look at the work, you cannot distinguish, and it's networked and it's connected, and that's the meaning that I went towards the word portals, which Aze came up with the concept for portals.
Good afternoon on behalf of the Ateneo de Manila University and Ateneo Art Gallery. Welcome to the launch of our new outdoor project titled Portals, a collaboration between Ged Merino and Aze Ong Ramirez.
So thank you everybody, and of course, first and foremost, I'd like to again thank Boots Herrera and the Ateneo Art Gallery for giving us this opportunity to be able to, I think it's a dream come true for us to do an outdoor installation. We've always worked in fabric, and when we do exhibitions, the first question usually asked is, how long will it last? So here's the experiment. It's an outdoor, and we'll see how long it will last. So thank you, Boots, and thank you for the Ateneo Art Gallery.
So having said this, putting the work in this setting where it is open to touching, squeezing, and interaction, plus the weather, rain, moist, dew, the sun, is pushing the material and the boundaries more. Thank you, Boots Herrera, for this challenge. It's really challenging. That made a new portal to new discoveries and beginning. I'm grateful to all those people. We, Ged and I, are very grateful to those people whom we consulted and have helped us with the installation. Thank you, Boots, for this opportunity and new journey. Thank you to all the Ateneo Art Gallery Areté staff and personnel. Thank you, Ged, for all the projects we have shared. Thank you to all our guests. For me, the Ong family is here and the Ramirez family is here. Thank you very much. I know you don't know what I'm doing or what we're doing, but thank you for the support anyway. Thank you to friends. Thank you to everyone who is here. And syempre, I thank my spiritual group members who are here present. And syempre, my husband who lets me be who I want to be. Thank you! Since it's a live installation, we have a crochet open call, no, for people in the community to be involved. in this project. So, dati kasi ang sinasabi ko, laging ako, laging journey ko, laging what can a woman do? Ano bang magagawa ng isang babae? Tapos, sa galit ko, ang lalaki ng mga nagawa ko. Pero ngayon, we were challenged to make bigger installation, bigger than what we have already done, and more experimental in the sense na talagang nasa labas siya, and it's prone to bacteria, algae, kung ano man, rain. So, kung dati, hindi pa namin, kung dati, wala akong ine-expect. Ngayon, sobrang, wala na talaga expectation. And spiritually din, dun sa practice, parang it makes you let go more or detach more.